Hey insiders, what's your top strategy for engaging your audience and motivating them to act? While directing traffic to your homepage builds brand awareness, you'll often need a more targeted approach to move potential buyers and repeat customers down the funnel. Scaling personalization can be resource-intensive without the right tools. That's where Insightly Marketing landing pages and forms can help. Let's dive in. Insightly's drag-and-drop landing page builder lets anyone on your team quickly execute your best campaign ideas. Start with a template or a blank canvas and easily add media, buttons, and brand elements to match your site. No developer needed. Once you home in on your target audience and develop the right message, anyone on your team can build a compelling landing page. But how do you convert landing page traffic into new prospects? To start, you can build a simple form in Insightly Marketing to collect their data. Include whichever fields matter to your team, like name, email, and phone number. And don't forget to make your CTA as irresistibly clickable as possible. Now that you've got your landing page built, complete with a form, it's time to decide how Insightly Marketing will collect those converted prospects with form handlers. With Insightly Marketing's form handlers, you can validate form data when it's submitted on a landing page, collect that information, and add it to your Insightly database, and trigger custom finish actions and automations automatically. The process is simple. Finish actions are a crown jewel of form handlers, which allow you to automate your ideal next step after a customer fills out a form. You could, for example, use UTM data collected on a landing page to tag a prospect with a lead source for attribution purposes, automatically register them to a Zoom webinar, send them a follow-up email, or trigger an App Connect recipe to run a completely customized function. Once people start filling out the form on your landing page, you can use that newly captured prospect data to create or update records, convert and route leads, and kick off automations that drive your revenue generation goals forward. Insightly Marketing customers use landing pages and forms to generate leads, facilitate event registration, educate customers about new products or services, gather customer feedback, drive newsletter subscriptions, and more. Consider using finish actions with form handlers to eliminate manual steps in your customer journey and streamline marketing efforts. For example, you can add a prospect to a marketing list, tag a prospect, adjust a prospect score or grade, assign a new owner, and more when they fill out a form. Have security concerns? Insightly Marketing form handlers have several anti-spam capabilities, including built-in detection and the ability to add reCAPTCHA v3. You can also take advantage of data validation, autofill, and more. Curious how your forms are performing? Check the built-in form handler report to review your created forms and their submissions. You can then add filters to the report to narrow your search. If you need help or more information on Insightly Marketing, contact the team or check the description box below for additional resources. Thanks for watching.